All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have some fun carbon fiber mods for the F80. Check it out.
But make something we can vibe to.
Sounded like a real anthem. Shawty saw my wallet, now she think I answer. Whoa, telling me she wanted me to hammer. Trying to get saved, baby, I am not the answer. No, I can never trick. Let the bitch is my bitch with a kiss on my lips like, I am not a pimp with a limp. I'm a man with a gift, and I'm doing my shit like, tell them other nips, I'm the nip. I'm the man in the city, and my bank account bigger, and my body count bigger. That's without a doubt. I'm 100 steps ahead, that's a lot of mouth. That's a lot of clout. What you all about? What your dollar amount? You a boy scout, I'm a big dog. Tell the truth, I don't get y'all to shoot. Time to corny motherfucker, turn this shit off, bro. I can't rap.
So we got this sweet duckbill trunk splitter wing thing. Fun carbon fiber stuff. So why am I super excited about this? Well, because this is the first time in my life I actually just get to purchase things like from a catalog. Like nothing is stock ever on these, like the race cars. So like everything we have to custom make, it's a bunch of work. But with the F80, the daily life, I just like get to go to a catalog and like click a button and it shows up. And you know, I'm learning that like this is actual double-sided tape, which is interesting. So I guess it downforce holds it on. I don't know. No, nice piece.
The tape holds it on.
Well, yeah.
Hopefully.
There is a screw hole in the bottom though, so you could.
It's probably a alignment pin hole or something.
You think so?
Yeah.
I guess we'll figure that out when we peel off the other one. But yeah, not a bad piece. I think it's gonna look great on the car. Yeah, so let's install it. So I guess first thing we're gonna do is probably clean the back of the car because, well, daily life. But yeah, you get this little stock one. Makes probably 0.0001 pounds of downforce. Yeah, they look all right. It's pretty cool. But we're gonna peel it off. Wow, this is actually peeling.
Yeah, go ahead, rip it right off.
Really? Yeah. Everyone in the videos that I saw, you had to like heat this thing up. Oh my God, is this really all that this attaches this? People are gonna be like, yeah, that's movie magic. You had already heated everything up, blah, blah, blah. But, oh my God. I really did not think this was this easy. It's like barely even sticking. I haven't got to one alignment pin yet there, Kyle.
Well. Oh, heads up, guys. Hope no one flinched. If you did, gotcha.
Yeah. Got him. All right.
Bang.
Throw this in the trash. It's like, put it down a bit in the corner. All right, so I guess some of this stuff, like, I mean, I was expecting to have to wire wheel, like whatever that little orange thing was.
We'll show you guys. It's called an eraser wheel. It's a really funky one, but so yeah.
But now I'm done.
We don't
gonna do anything.
We'll just hit it with some.
Dude, daily mods are awesome.
Yeah, just hit it with some friggin' window cleaner and a rag, and so this is what we're gonna be prepared to use. It's just called an eraser wheel. It just takes off any adhesive kind of stuff. You just put it in your normal drill. But yeah, that's what we were kind of expecting. But we are.
I was really expecting.
We are crispy, dude. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Lighter out.
Look at that.
Holy moly.
Wow. Look, we don't even have to get sound effects because I do them myself.
Thanks for saving me the $3 or whatever.
Heck yeah.
Sure. All right, now she's a little nude.
I think you should leave it.
Just leave it?
Yeah. Just friggin'.
I think it's like, it was always, I don't know, coming from older BMWs, you always wanted like the CSL trunk. Like I have the big duckbill and everything, and then for these generations, I think they just stopped making those. I don't know if the race cars just got too extreme where they're like.
It wasn't kosher in the wind tunnel anymore.
You think so?
Yeah.
So I guess that's gonna go like that. I don't really know how far back it's supposed to go. Am I supposed to like? Ooh, that kind of clicked nice.
Yeah, there was a
nothing
little.
Actually clicked.
You want to show the ridge on the backside? There should be like almost a shelf. I thought.
Well, there's
Okay, so yeah,
there's
right
this
there.
part. So I guess this part just butted up to the back of this. Although I'm gonna be nervous actually putting down the. Do you think we just straight pull the tape and go for it? Is that how people do it? Do I have to like? Should I mark it? Like, should I put some like masking tape?
It wouldn't
on
be
it?
the worst idea. Line it up where you want and find some tape.
All right, I want to grab the camera and show what we did. All right, so basically we lined it up first and then just put some masking tape. So that way when I pull this off, I can kind of just eyeball it on top. And then I should just be able to set it down. I guess that's the nerve-wracking part, right? Like, I don't think 3M tape.
You
double-sided
better be
tape
ready to
works a lot.
stand there for like 5-10 minutes with pressure on it.
I think we then tape it to the car after.
No, that is how you tape it.
No, like put masking tape on the carbon to the paint, so that way like it holds it in place for a while.
That's unreliable.
So what, I just take the rest of the day off?
Kinda. I'll grab the silly string and come spray you in the face with it or something. Do you need a razor blade? No, there you go.
No.
No, realistically, 3 to 5 minutes of holding it on there should be all right. Whoa.
Are you getting crazy over there?
Yeah, I was walking backwards. I thought there was a rag closer. We'll just do one last wipe here.
I don't know, there's an imperfection on the bottom of the carbon that no one will ever see. Should I return it?
No.
Call and complaint?
Nope, you already took the tape off, so that's used. Pressure's on.
Yeah, this is like.
Feel it. You're gonna have to put a little heartbeat sound.
Dun, 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 dun. Mike, we're doing big mods today. Just huge mods.
I don't know how to zoom in on this thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, it's crazy, like the comparison between like our race cars and just like what you can do for the daily.
If you want to like send out wing mounts to be billetized.
Yeah, and I have to like create 82 drop downs on a splitter so that 12 people can stand on it and blah blah
You're
blah.
like, oh look, it takes out.
Dude, Mike's cracking a beer right now.
Mike Wazowski! No way. It's probably a coffee.
It's probably coffee.
Is it the double shot coffee?
Do I just like put my gut on this?
Oh yeah, nice. That's good. Yeah, dude, it's nice. Just hold it down.
Do I just chill here for a little while?
For a couple minutes, yeah. Don't forget the middle. You can't be
Well, that's like
just selective to the outside. Don't put it on the back of it or else you're going to rip it right back off. So on the front.
putting pressure down evenly
Oh, sure, dear. Look at that.
without obviously just sitting.
Holy.
Dude, big downforces, you think?
Holy.
Let's peel this. I'm getting impatient.
It's fingerprints.
That's what I pay Sean for. How's it look?
You know, it looks carbon fibery.
Dude, I think it looks great. 10 out of 10.
Do we want to try something,
Daily
put
mods.
something heavy on it, you think? Because I don't think the tape, I don't like the tape idea. Do you want to like grab the scan tool? And put the scan tool on it for a couple minutes? Like,
I'll just keep.
Whoa.
I'll just keep pressing it, holding it for a little while. Now there's gonna be bets on like how long until this car just gets a real wing.
oh yeah, guys, that's a good idea. Put in the comment section how long you think
How long
the wing
until
will
Chris-
last.
Oh, you think just lasts like straight up before it flies off the back?
Yeah,
of the
what were
car?
you thinking?
Before I get like a wing? Remember
Oh.
it sells a pretty sweet wing for these.
No, we're gonna start with
How long,
Guys, put in the
how long is
comments,
the 3M tape gonna
how
last?
long is the tape gonna last? And you know, the funniest thing is, if he can like, if it does fly off and he grabs it, he goes back and grab it. We have more double-sided tape here, so we'll slap it right back on for another
No,
funny
if this
video.
flies off, I will give it to the person who got the closest in the comments.
Okay,
sections.
okay, I like that idea.
I'll even mail it to him.
All right, guys, there you go. There's some incentive. There's some good incentive right there.
I mean, I have to imagine it like, this is like what everything online. Like,
I think you'll be surprised. Dude.
Even the
Tape
good
is money.
companies
And
and
don't
that-
once you think it's good, don't try the pull test. Cause
well,
we don't
that's what I
want-
was gonna ask. So when do I get to like give it a little like?
Durable.
Is there a
yeah.
cure time for 3M tape?
It's not long. I know that. I don't know if there's like a specified amount, but I know it's just
Probably
a
a
couple
day.
minutes. No,
A few hours?
couple minutes.
A couple minutes.
Yeah, I mean we're probably good there.
I think I could
I
like,
mean
I mean,
that's money.
this is like 4 pounds of downforce.
Yeah, it's durable. I'm telling you. There we go.
So nervous. I've never done things like this.
I guess we'll have to strap the GoPro to the back window inside the
drive
car
on
on
the
the way
GoPro
home,
thing.
and yeah, we'll attach the video of the GoPro footage at least for one night. Actually, it'll probably be too dang dark out already.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll have to be in the morning. Turn it on in the morning or something. So bang, unreal.
All right. Well, this is sweet. I will probably power wash the back of the car so that it doesn't look like a total dumpster fire. All right. So she's all cleaned up, nice and good. Guys, I definitely recommend doing this. This is like a 2 out of 10 difficulty, but an 8 out of 10 looks. I think this looks great. It's just aggressive enough, but just subtle enough. It's not crazy for any street car. Peep the new license plate holders in store now. Gotta love that. Shameless plug here. But yeah, guys, definitely recommend. This is pretty sweet, and like I said, super easy to do. All right, I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.